The green light will always be lit when the fryer is on. When the change filter light comes on, the filters need to be replaced. The fryer will remain operational for 1 to 5 days. Change out to the new HEPA and charcoal filters with the fryer on. Remove the grease baffle for cleaning. Be sure to wash, rinse, and sanitize the drip cup daily. Open the baffles by pressing the button on top. Wash and sanitize in a 3-compartment sink. Dry thoroughly. Remove the HEPA filter. Remove the carbon filter. Remove the filter bracket. Wash, rinse, and sanitize it. Using a damp, soapy cloth, wipe down the entire inside of the ventless hood, including the blower fan cage. Use caution when cleaning the fan blades. Wipe out the entire inside of the hood with soapy water to break down the grease residual. Replace the filter bracket. Push the filter levers into place. This ensures the filters are installed correctly and turns off the warning lights, allowing the fryer to operate again. Replace the carbon filter. Replace the HEPA filter. Replace the grease baffle.